Vandaag is er een nieuwe gast erbij. Kijk eens die kleine, die small white duck there. We have a new friend today. He's an interesting one. Ja, dit is echt interessant. Yeah, there's only 80 of these endangered ducks left in the Netherlands and very few in the whole world. It's an endangered species. What a cool beak he has. First time I saw him around here. He's also very friendly. Birds are getting all friendly around here. I don't know the name of this duck. Gotta look him up. It's like a baby swan. Alright, so I had to look this one up because it was I've never seen a duck like this. So it's called a hook-billed duck. And what they say here, the hookbill or Dutch hookbill, and you see in Dutch how they say that, Krombekeend, yeah, curved beak duck, is a breed of domestic duck characterized by an unusual down-curved beak. It is unusual. It's an ancient breed and has been documented since the 17th century. Speculation that it originated in Asia or related to the Indian runner is apparently unsubstantiated. In other words, it's so old they don't even know if ducks could talk. The origin of the hookbill are unknown. The earliest published illustration description appeared to be in the Orthologie Livre of Francis Willoughby, published in 1676. You see that this is a endangered species. So it is an endangered species, which is very interesting. What was also interesting, I read about this link, I think it was. A cross between a buzzard and a mallard? No, but the hook-billed duck is an oddity. Quite how the distinctive beak evolved is a mystery, and even intrigued Charles Darwin, who is known to have kept these ducks. We do know that the hookbill is one of the oldest of the domestic duck breeds, with the records dating back to the 17th century. That book again. Copper engraving. And there's the engraving of the, looks like our friend right there. Yeah, they are kind of cute in their own little way, aren't they? I read somewhere else that even Darwin kept them as pets. He was so intrigued by this species that he kept them as pets. And you know, I don't necessarily agree with Darwin. I don't agree with evolution as Darwin says it. There's interspecies evolution, of course. Within a species of evolution, things evolve and things like that. But evolution, you don't jump species. You don't jump, things like that. There's no proof of that. There's no evidence of that. I found this link interesting as well. The Dutch one, Noord Hollandse Krombekeend, so the North Holland crooked beaked duck. And what they say here, yeah, it's critical. There's only 80 of them left in the Netherlands. I mean, we just saw one of them. That's amazing. Stable. Poor guy doesn't have a friend though here. I still see him swimming around too. And now our friend, the hook-billed duck, is up here. ancient species of duck. Even Darwin was mystified by how this duck had its hooked beak. How is it at something? Anyway, it's just very interesting that it's a real endangered species that we have right out here. You know, very friendly duck. I read that too. Darwin was intrigued because they were so like gregarious and friendly, and you know, so rather interesting. Anyway, we now know what this friend of ours is. It's not a baby swan. What a set of feet.